Anatomical adaptations of epiphytes and parasites. Epiphytes. These are autotrophic plants which grow on the surface of some other supporting plants and are not permanently rooted in the soil. It absorbs sufficient moisture from the atmosphere, rain, and mineral nutrients from the decaying bark of supporting plants upon which they are situated. Epiphytes differ from parasites in that they grow on other plants for physical support and do not necessarily affect the host negatively. Also called aerophytes or air plants. Anatomical adaptations. Presence of the cuticle and sunken stomata. These two structures greatly reduce the loss of water from the plants. Generally, the surface cells of water-absorbing organs are not cuticularized. In succulent epiphytes, thin-walled parenchymatous tissue that stores water develops extensively. The aerial hanging roots of many tropical epiphytes belonging to the families Araceae and Orchidaceae develop on their surface a characteristic greenish-white, thin-walled massive tissue called as velamen. The velamen is hygroscopic tissue that rapidly absorbs moisture from the saturated atmosphere like a sponge. It is modification of multi-layered epidermis. Its cells are empty and cell wall shows spiral or reticulate thickenings. Inner to the velamen, there is present a peculiar layer called exodermis. Exodermal cells are of two types, lignified and thick-walled cells. Thin-walled cells or parasite cells, walls of which are permeable to water. The velamen absorbs and retains moisture till that is absorbed by parasite cells of exodermis. Vascular system is well developed. Other structures are similar to those found in mesophytes. TS of aerial shoot of orchid showing velamen tissue. Parasites. Plants that feed on host plants or insects for meeting their nutritional requirements are known as parasitic plants. Examples of parasitic plants are Cuscuta and Mistletoe. Plant that obtains all or part of its nutrition from another plant without contributing to the benefit of the host and in some cases causing extreme damage to the host. Hemiparasites. A hemiparasitic plant lives as a parasite under natural conditions but remains photosynthetic to at least some degree. Hemiparasites may obtain only water and mineral nutrients from the host plant, or many also obtain a part of their organic nutrients from the host. Holoparasite. A holoparasitic plant derives all of its fixed carbon from the host plant. Commonly lacking chlorophyll, holoparasites are often colors that are not green. Anatomical adaptations. Viscum album is a hemiparasite having chlorophyll and the epidermis has well developed cuticle on both sides of the leaves and stem. Some epidermal cells are large, some are small, and few epidermal cells are papillose on both sides. Its leaves are photosynthetic, but their mesophyll is undifferentiated and is made up of polygonal cells. The stem is irregular in outline and appears to be lignified at many places. Vascular bundles are arranged in a ring having poorly developed phloem, but xylem is extensively developed and strongly lignified. To maximize resources, many parasitic plants have evolved self-incompatibility to avoid parasitizing themselves. Others, such as Trificaria, usually avoid parasitizing other members of their species, but some parasitic plants have no such limits.